Meet John, a police officer for a mid-sized city. But this video isn't about John, it's about the vehicle behind him. Before the vehicle was procured, the business analyst at the city analyzed the city's existing fleet vehicles in AssetWorks CAM. In CAM, the business analyst can quickly analyze the life cycles of all city fleet vehicles and assets to identify if any need to be replaced based on the replacement criteria set by the city, including age, maintenance costs, utilization, fuel, and lease term. The asset score shown in CAM allows the analyst to determine the correct priorities for vehicle and asset replacement. Before CAM, the analyst used to build these models to determine vehicle replacements in spreadsheets, which took weeks of manual effort. After looking closely at the lifecycle data for the vehicles up for replacement, the analyst identified vehicles in the city's fleet that had reached their optimal replacement time. That information is used to develop a multi-year strategic replacement plan and a set of replacement candidates for the next budget. After confirming the data in CAM, the fleet manager can easily justify which vehicles should be replaced to best allocate the tight capital funds that are available. The fleet manager can also explain the expected impact on the fleet maintenance budget based on the assets that are planned for replacement. The city's procurement specialist then develops a selector list in CAM of assets and options available for asset users to submit requests for their replacement assets. These requests are then routed for approval. Once approved, the procurement specialist builds an order for the new assets. When the new assets and vehicles arrive, including the police vehicle, a maintenance technician can enter inspection information, collect vehicle data, and verify the order through CAM's Receive and Inspect mobile app. After being accepted in CAM, all maintenance for the vehicles, from scheduled oil changes to emergency maintenance, is tracked in the city's fleet management system. CAM seamlessly integrates with all fleet systems, including AssetWorks Fleet Focus, to collect actual maintenance, fuel, usage, and downtime data, so there's no need for manual data entry or calculations to track the vehicle's complete life cycle. Eventually, the once new vehicle also reaches its optimal replacement time, and the cycle continues. After the vehicle is flagged for disposal, CAM stores all necessary information, including payment history, buyer information, and if the vehicle was auctioned or salvaged. In CAM, fleet organizations across the public and private sectors can efficiently track the life cycles of all of their assets, from vehicles and equipment to other mechanical assets, so money is never wasted on maintaining an asset long past its optimal replacement time, and time is never wasted on manual calculations and data entry. To schedule a custom demo of AssetWorks CAM for your fleet organization, please visit assetworks.com/fleet/CAM.